Hi, welcome back to Rashu's Creations. I already taught you how to make the paper soaps. I already showed you how you keep them into different shapes. Now today I'm going to teach you how to make those shapes. Okay, so with whatever materials is there at home, you can make these kinds of shapes. It's not required that you need to have any specific material, and you can use any kind of glue. If you don't, preferably you should use UHU, and if you don't have UHU, you can even use Ferricol, any kind of glue, or you can even staple it. Okay, so first of all I can teach you. If you have newspaper, I think everybody has a newspaper at home. Just take a piece of cardboard and paste the newspaper, and you can paste your soap strips inside your folder. Okay, so it's very easy. Since this is hard, your paper soap remains as it is. Now this is a felt paper, felt, and it's called the felt material, and you can make different kinds of shapes. You get it in different colors. If you have it, you can even make into a shape of a watermelon. Okay, and I'll just show you how you make it. You take the felt paper and cut into a shape of a triangle. Okay, and then you cut two pieces like this according to the measurement of this triangle, and you stick it over that. Okay, then this is the second idea. You can even make a shape of a ball. Cut a circle. You can keep any kind of a cap, whatever you have, leave and draw the circle. Once you draw the circle, color them like a football. Okay, then you can staple them with each other and put your soap strips inside. Okay, you can put your soap strips inside. Then you also, if you have a small greeting card, you can cut into small pieces of paper. Paper soap can be cut into small pieces, and you can staple it inside your greeting card, old greeting cards. Whatever shapes you are making, you have to cut the soap strips according to that shape. Just before you start joining each other, what you have to do is leave the shape and cut the soap papers according to that shapes. Okay, so now that I am going to put them into this small little greeting cards, I'm going to cut them into small piece of papers where I can just staple them together, so that you can remove one at a time to use them. You can put around, maybe around 15 to 20 papers at once. Okay, and staple it. Staple it. Just have to pull one out at each time when you have to use it. Okay, now let me show you how to make a little pouch with a small piece of wrapping paper. You have these reused wrapping papers. Okay, cut a square out of it. Fold it into two. Now this is already, and then this side, you have to fold the wrong side of it, and before you paste it, you have to reverse it back and paste this. With each other. So already one side we don't need to paste because that is not cut. Then the either way, even the bottom, you need to do the same. You have to fold it and put the glue on the either sides and stick it together. when you are cutting it for the pouch, you just have to cut one piece, one side of it. Fold it together and just give it a shape. And you fold it down here. Your pouch is ready to put the soap strips. Okay, you can make it into any different kinds of shapes, like this. If you have to, you're putting it into a shape of a star, then you have to cut the papers into the shape of a star. Whatever the material you have, you can use it to make the different kinds of shapes.